The big story that we're tracking at this hour, an all-party meeting that was chaired by Union Home Minister Amit Shah. The Congress has demanded for COVID-19 testing to be provided to all, something that all parties present agreed to. The Home Minister has assured testing will be ramped up. The Congress has also demanded that 10,000 rupees be paid to every family member who is infected or in a containment zone. The Home Minister told all political parties about the steps that have been taken and has sought their support. This is the big story that is coming in. The all-party meeting there.
किसी भी तरह की कोई चर्चा नहीं हुई. वो अपनी ओर से कुछ लोग कयास लगा रहे थे, लेकिन उस संदर्भ में कंटेनमेंट जोन में डोर टू डोर सर्वे और टेस्टिंग पूरी तरीके से करने की बात कही गई. प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल की कैपिंग पे भी चर्चा हुई, लेकिन उस पे निर्णय जो होगा वो आने वाली बैठक में होगा. आज उस पे कोई अंतिम निर्णय नहीं लिया गया.
कमेटी बनाई गई है?
नहीं, ये हमारी मीटिंग तो आज ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग थी. ये होम मिनिस्टर जी के साथ थी. अब आने वाले दिनों में सीएम की और एलजी साहब की और दूसरे लोगों की जो मीटिंग होगी उसमें चीजें तय होंगी. कंटेनमेंट हाउस मैपिंग का काम हो गया है.
And my colleague Sunil Prabhu tracking the details of this story, joining us on the broadcast. Sunil, the all-party meeting seems to have, led to a conclusion that there should be more testing in the national capital, testing for all, especially in containment zones. That's a big takeaway, it seems. Sunil, can you hear me?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sunil, testing for all seems to be the big takeaway from that all-party meeting.
Well, that was a demand that was, of course, first put by the Congress, which has been in the forefront of asking for testing for those who want to be tested. It's in that context, and there have been a lot of problems, as you've seen, across the city of Delhi, people being upset about the fact that they can't get a test done. It's been extremely difficult for them. It's in that context that the Home Minister assured with the Lieutenant Governor present that testing for all will be done. This, of course, came, as I pointed out, cutting across party lines. Apart from the Congress, other political parties also demanding the same. So that's the big takeaway in today's all-party meeting. The rest of the decisions, as you're well aware, were taken yesterday, including, a number of steps that are required to increase the coverage in terms of hospitals. Clearly, the Home Minister wanting all political parties to be on board, to use their volunteers to ensure that Delhi residents are able to get proper protection and cure. And then, of course, the most important point, as you pointed out, testing for all. So those who desire to get tested, they're going to ramp up. He assured in the meeting nearly 18,000 tests a day. It won't be the, rapid testing because that protocol is not yet approved by the ICMR.
Right.
It will be definitely, the testing that is as per the protocol approved. That will be done 18,000 tests per day. And they hope to get the whole of Delhi covered for anybody who desires to have that
right.
test.
Sunil, that was actually going to be my follow-up question. So just a quick clarification then, when we say testing for all, are we looking at the possibility of a revision in the ICMR testing guidelines, or is this going to be testing for all within the ambit of the existing guidelines?
Within the ambit of the existing guidelines. That is very clearly, that was a specific point, because some were saying, let us do rapid testing across, because the rapid testing is not a clear indicator, and there's been a big debate about this. ICMR, as you know, has done a number of revisions on this issue because it creates more confusion, because some people have tested, negative, then turned positive, or positive and negative. So there are a whole lot of concerns in that aspect, and that is why they will go by the ICMR guidelines, and those tests.
All right. So as per the ICMR guidelines, within the ambit of the existing ICMR guidelines, there appears to be, a unanimous consensus between all parties, something that's been reiterated by the Home Minister as well. He's given an assurance that more people will be tested. Testing will be made more accessible in the national capital. That's the big story that is emerging from the all-party meet that was held in the national capital.